Hi everyone, so today I wanted to show you how I make my bread rolls kosher for Pesach. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. 2 cups of matzah meal, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 4 eggs, a cookie sheet preferably, but I don't have, so I'm using these pans. And you're going to need a bowl to heat up the oil and the water in. And that's it. So let's just get started. We're gonna mix 1 cup of water with half a cup of oil. We're gonna place that on the stove so we can start boiling. So while the water and oil is boiling, I'm going to be adding my matzah meal and salt and sugar. I'm gonna mix that all, and now we're gonna wait for the water and oil to boil, and we're gonna pour that right into the dough. Now the water and the oil has come to a boil, so we're gonna pour that into the matzah meal mixture with the salt and the sugar. Mix everything together until the dough forms. Now add in 1 egg at a time and mix it inside. So it becomes like a dough, as you can tell. And you're gonna need to let this rest for 15 minutes, and then you can shape them into either bagels or rolls. And I'll be back after you let them rest for 15 minutes, and I'll show you how I form them. While you're resting your dough, you can heat up your oven to 375 degrees and place a little bit of water for yourself so you can mold the rolls easily, and grease your cookie sheets. So you just flatten it out into like a little disc, and then just poke a hole inside and form it into a little bagel. So I'm going to be getting out of all of this 12 little rolls. So 6 rolls and 6 bagels, and so easy to make. So these are the little bagels. Don't they look so cute and authentic? And here are the rolls. I'm going to be putting them into a 375 degree oven. The oven is ready, and they're going to be cooking for 50 minutes, 50. This was my first time making rolls and bagels kosher for Pesach, and I was really surprised at how amazingly they turned out. They're crispy on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. It's perfect for little kids who are used to having bread for breakfast or bread just to have with meals. So I really, really recommend it. Hope you guys give it a try and hope you enjoy. Have a happy Pesach. Everybody, please don't forget to subscribe.